So hey fans and followers, we are here at Austin Street Truck Stop, ASTS, which is right next door to Eastside Draft House. And today we're having a mini food truck festival hosted by Eastside and Mr. John Williams. So big shout out to Eastside. I think the best patio bar in Denton. And we have a bunch of trucks out here. Blake Snow Shack, Snow Cones, Hibachi Truck, Leela's Mediterranean. You got Milpa. You have Bearded Lady. You have, what's this, Prime. And congratulations to Prime. They won the first place award yesterday at the Ader Decatur Championship competition. So mad props to them and congrats. We have a cheesecake food truck, the Pickled Carrot. We have the Dumpling Bros, Coochie's Barbecue, and Big Knife Tacos. So food truck festival is going on until 9 p.m. So make sure that you come out and enjoy all the different cuisines, the variations, and enjoy this beautiful day. Come out to Eastside, 208 North Austin Street.